Just got to the gym, working on this freaking bowl. 100 carbs is a lot. I mean, it's good because it's right before my workout. Tastes really good. On this trip, I'm not even joking, like, if I can show you guys. Hold on, let me see. All this crap back there, like the food and everything, like, I had to meal prep so much because I'm in a hotel, so I can't cook. And I'm worried about leaving it in the car because I don't want to get food poisoning from it. I think it'll be all right. It's only a couple hours. And I'll be in the gym for another hour and then got another hour to go. But it's okay. I think we'll be okay. If we get food poisoning, whatever. So I'm gonna eat this really quick, and then, like I said, I'll see you guys in the gym. Hopefully it's not packed, and hopefully they're cool with filming and stuff. That's 5. I definitely have more in the tank, so the next week I'm gonna make a note that I need to go up because 255 was, 255 for 5 was too low. Okay, that was 5. I definitely have more in the tank, so the next week I'm gonna make a note that I need to go up because 255 was, 255 for 5 was too low, and find it. So, see you guys over there. Okay, we have arm press. Doing 4 sets of 8 reps. Yeah, 8 reps. 4 sets of 8 reps. Gonna start with the 55s. Last time it was the 50s. Here we go. This gym is really nice. I wish I had a gym like this at home. So I've got an hour left to the hotel, and then I really need to eat, especially after this. I'm gonna down a protein shake, and I think we'll be there in about an hour that I can get my meal in me, and we'll be A-okay. Just got to the hotel. It's definitely time to eat. I was totally wrong with my calculations for the hotel. It was 2 hours, not 1 hour. So it's been 2 hours since I've hit the gym and I've eaten, so I need to make myself a meal. Oh well, I think it's gonna be good. Hey guys, so day 2 here. This is our little pre-workout meal. Here we are. I'll see you guys in there. leg day. Feeling pretty good. There's crazy things happening in here. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get a better spot because this is awful. Back at the hotel, you guys. So you already know the drill. Like I said, gotta get our protein in. Got the Premier shakes. Probably gonna drink maybe 2 of these. Okay, going to the store. Little fit check. You guys like this? Got the, I don't even know what these are. Bondies on. Hokas. Adds freaking 7 feet to my height. Here we are. Fire Camry. Oh God, so bright. This sauce. Yo Mama's. No sugar added. We'll see how it is. Obviously got the cookie. Hopefully this thing's gas. And then the cheese. The reason I got this is just because it has a little bit of saturated fats, which is going to help me get my saturated fats up. So it should be pretty good. I have to come back. It's not like it's a big deal. It's literally right down the street. So I'll see you guys back at the hotel. Okay. Grocery store adventure done. I want to try this. I saw it on like, I guess it was Instagram or something the other day, and I was like, those look good. And then I saw it, I was like, I have to, copyright, I have to get one of those. So I'm gonna head back to the hotel. I'm gonna eat that cookie though. That thing looked gas. Here, I'll set you guys up. Hopefully I can find this in Fitness Pal, because if not, we're screwed. I'm gonna eat it anyways though. So this is what it looks like. Looks like a freaking cookie. It doesn't look bussing, but with a diet that I have been on, this thing is about to be one of the best things I've eaten all day. This is awful. Honestly, I was expecting better. But that's what you get with no sugar. Or it's just like, tastes like protein. It's just so chalky. 16 grams of protein. Can't complain. Obviously want healthy saturated fats, but I just have to get my numbers up. Oh, let's try this. Try this Starburst. I've not drinking like a carbonated drink besides energy drink in forever. Better than the cookie. Yeah. This thing says 0 sugar, but we have our pantothenic acids. Not great. I'm sure there's red dye 40 in here somewhere. It's fine. Whatever. I don't care. That's why we do this. Okay. So this is what I decided on. We've got chicken, cheese, and then our wraps are on the bottom. Hopefully you guys can see that. I think you can, but it's just a half a wrap. So we're good on our carbs here. Let me pull it up and I'll show you guys what we're sitting. Our fiber is a little bit lower than I wanted it to be, but we are chilling, so that's good. If you can have a protein shake, we'll be set on that, maybe some peanuts, and we'll be good on the carbs and everything. So I'm gonna chow down on this. Oh, can't forget the barbecue. Gonna try the Your Mama's barbecue. See how it is. Yeah, but I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna be done for the day basically.